This woman parked illegally right outside a police station, refused to identify herself, ignored multiple commands from officers, then suddenly drove away from the police department while claiming the officers chasing her weren't real police. What started as a simple parking violation quickly turned into a bizarre pursuit, accusations of a conspiracy, and ultimately multiple criminal charges. But the strangest part of this entire incident wasn't the traffic violations or the arrest. It was the fact that even after being surrounded by marked patrol cars, she continued insisting that every officer she encountered was fake.
Signal one, she's not opening the door. There's wine bottles open.
Oh, well, I mean, we have a violation there by itself.
Yeah. She's illegally parked in front of the PD.
Ma'am, what's going on? I can't hear you.
Well.
Ma'am, just open the door for us. Right now we gotta talk to you, okay? Other button.
Okay, well, she can't just park here. Right? I mean...
No, you're right. It is a violation.
And she has to identify herself.
Yeah.
If she doesn't want to identify herself, alright, then she's resisting.
Rental car, yeah.
Can you open the door?
Please? We can't hear anything you're saying. You gotta open the door to talk to us.
Should I put spike strips under there in case she tries to flee?
Yeah.
In the front of the car?
Ah, that's true.
And it's, I think it's a rear-wheel drive car.
I can stack mine. Double.
No.
Response to Victor 61, units of BP 1074.
10-4-10-6. You open the door?
1026, show me out with 310.
Yeah, you have to open the door at this point. You can't just ignore us and pretend that we're not here. You have to open the door. You're parked crazy at the police department. And we can't hear anything. We gotta figure out what's going on. We can't hear you. Got some good insulation in this vehicle. If you don't cooperate, we're gonna have to break the window. So, do you want to escalate it, or
At this point, what started as a simple investigation outside the police department suddenly escalates. Instead of cooperating with officers, the woman drives away from the scene, creating an entirely new set of legal problems for herself.
I'm gonna go get her. You want me to chase her? Harbor Drive, now heading southbound on Harbor Drive. Speeds are 15 miles an hour. Subject appears to be coming to a complete stop right outside City Hall.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car!
Get out!
Out of the car! Out of the car!
I am not. You're not. Get out of
Get
the
out.
car! You don't have an option anymore.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car!
Out of the car!
Nope.
You're not police.
Got her.
Let go of the bag.
10-4,
I'm
units
not.
10-3-2,
Let go of your bag.
You're not.
You don't have an option anymore. Let go of the bag.
Do you want to conduct field sobriety exercises?
I am not drinking and I am not under the influence of anything. I've never taken drugs in my life.
Would you like to conduct field sobriety exercises?
The real police are on their way.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time, and if you don't answer the question, I'm just going to take it as a refusal. Do you wish to perform field sobriety exercises
I will.
to confirm? You want to?
Yeah, because I'm not under the influence of anything. And the real police are on the way.
Okay. Maybe we should have her checked out by EMS first. Yeah, for sure.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm not drinking.
Okay. Really?
Really. I had a little bit with dinner like at 5 o'clock in the evening. I am totally... You broke the tire in my car.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I've not been drinking. I'm totally sober, and you are not real police, and you're in big trouble because they're on their way.
Okay. I'm sorry you feel that way.
No, they are.
You're surrounded by police cars. It said Venice Police on them.
Doesn't matter.
And you drove to the police station where we made contact with you.
You're all cartel. None of you are police.
Well, then
You pulled me out of there where the police asked me to stay.
Okay.
I am sober.
Okay, I understand.
Don't do that.
All right, face that way though. Don't do that.
I've met all of you. You're cartel.
By now, it's clear that deputies are dealing with more than just a routine traffic investigation. Despite being surrounded by marked patrol cars and uniformed officers, the woman continues insisting that the police aren't real, something that immediately raises concerns about her mental state.
And the real police are on the way.
Feels right. We were going to do that after you guys checked her out.
I'm fine. I'm completely lucid. I was there on purpose.
Okay.
And you've ruined a rental car, so you're going to be in big trouble.
Yes, the rental car is ruined.
You could have broken a major vein. And then you would definitely be in jail yourself. Because I have done nothing wrong. And you're treating me like a criminal. And the real police are on the way.
Julie, once again, you're going back on here. You were under arrest for DUI, okay? As well as fleeing to elude, resisting, as well as a plethora of other civil traffic infractions, okay?
Stop breathing on it.
Once deputies establish probable cause for DUI, fleeing, and resisting, the situation shifts from an investigation to a formal arrest. From this point forward, officers are focused on safely taking her into custody while documenting every violation that occurred throughout the encounter.
I have no alcohol on me.
Reckless driving.
You can open the container right there. It's in your car.
Yes, I live in the car.
Okay.
Everything that I
You can't have
have.
no
Great.
container in your car.
It's this way.
That was not.
Oh, you want to get the seatbelt, Rachel?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
No alcohol.
If you keep doing that.
You have to know there's no alcohol in my room.
Okay.
They're almost here, the real police. I can't balance with them.
Okay, go ahead, go.
I got an injured arm.
However you got to get in, go ahead.
You're in so much trouble.
So I've been told.
Julie was ultimately charged with DUI, fleeing or attempting to elude law enforcement, and resisting an officer without violence. Court records later revealed that questions about her competency became a major issue in the case. A judge eventually found her incompetent to stand trial and ordered further psychological evaluation. While the criminal case itself was later closed, court filings indicate that mental health monitoring continued long after the arrest.